enchanting! 6 feet! Yeesh! What are you guys doing? Huh?
Oh, finally, baby.
Surprise, mother, father!
Never any low time whatsoever, but that's okay because the second part of our Costa Rican adventure in Papagayo Peninsula gave us some much needed free time away from the kiddos.
Wait a minute, Mom Jude Blog. First of all, too much smooshy gotta stop. And secondly, people are probably wondering where in the world is Papagayo. And here to tell you about this destination is not. And take it away, brother. Will do, sis. Papagayo, located in the North Pacific corner of Costa Rica, is no ordinary peninsula. Instead, it is one of the most charming corners of the world. Cut. Can we use another word besides charming? How about captivating? Nah. Delightful? No. Enchanting? Let's go with that. Instead, it is one of the most enchanting corners of the world. 15 miles of coastline, 31 separate white sand beaches, and since 70% of the peninsula must remain untouched, it has kept its natural jungle beauty, which has created a landscape that looks like it was plucked out of a pirate fantasy novel, a place where time stands still, and where pura vida truly means living in the moment. Bravo. Amazing job, Knox. Okay, Mom Judy Block, you may continue on.
Enchanting, yes indeed. Papagayo gives you the best of both worlds, beach and jungle. Not to mention it has perfect year-round sunny weather. It is a dream-like destination, guys. But before I tell you a bit more, let me first give you a quick recap of what we did in the last few days. First off, we rented a 4x4 SUV in La Fortuna and made our way to Monteverde. Along the way, we tried our first soda. Not the soda drink, but this is what they call their local restaurants, serving up the best authentic Costa Rican dishes.
Pork chop with sliced onions.
So we arrived during nighttime at our very unique Airbnb.
Whoa!
Looking more like an observatory.
This Neil, radio check. Neil, this is Houston, loud and clear. Break, buzz, this is Houston. Radio check and verify circuit breaker.
You're sitting so straight.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Yeah, this was a pretty unique stay, especially when you combine the daily wildlife visitors in our balcony. Now, besides the wildlife, what Monteverde is also known for are the tours and the outdoor activities. Our favorite being the coffee and chocolate tour.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No.
And the coffee bean was a C. It's 2. I don't drink coffee. Our A is dark chocolate and the nuts.
And if you want a bit of an adrenaline rush, then you must go through their cloud forest and end the day ziplining.
Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby.
Wow.
I can't let you go, baby.
Oh, that was fun. Off to the next destination. Bob of it. More like destination of it. Let's go.
After our jungle stay in Monteverde, we drove for 3 hours and finally arrived at the luxurious gates of Peninsula Papagayo. Now, within this peninsula is a private gated community where you'll find multi-million-dollar villas, an 18-hole Arnold Palmer golf course, and home to 2 luxury resorts, Four Seasons and Andaz Costa Rica. And our first stop was at the luxurious Four Seasons.
We're here. We're here. We are here. Finally. After like 3 to 4 hours.
This was absolutely the most comfortable check-in ever. And after finishing our coconut cocktails, we hopped on a golf cart to check out our room. Oh, and they have a netting so the bugs won't come in. Now, off to the spot where Nelvin and I have been waiting on for a very long time.
Mom and Dad, for your long time. See ya.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We haven't been away from the kids for months, and usually I get kind of anxious when dropping them off, but not here. They are definitely well taken care of, and not only is the layout packed with outdoor and indoor fun, but the daily curated activities is what gets the kids super excited. While the kids are all settled in, us parents are checking out the adult activities, starting off with coffee tasting. Nothing like a Costa Rican coffee to pick you up during the day. It's perfect for the next activity. Golf clinic to work on your short game.
Oh, got one. You got one.
Tiger Woods, baby. Oh wow. I think you're ready for the pros.
I've never made one in my life. I love how Four Seasons has an expert for each activity, like Yossi, who's an expert mangrove tour guide. And did I mention that these activities are complimentary? Like the infused rum tasting.
Ustedes hablan español, ¿verdad?
And also rum and chocolate tasting. And besides rum tasting, they have wine class. Again, these adult activities are all included in your stay. Lots to choose from, but I'm sure if you're bringing the kids, you probably won't have enough time to do them all.
We're back, mother, father. Now it's time for some family activities, baby. Starting off with the family yoga class with Beto. Then following it up with salsa class with Henry.
Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón. Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón.
And then off to the Trail of the Giants, where we hopped on a golf cart, saw some animals, and toured one of the most beautiful golf courses in the world. And after sunset, we learned about the stars. And then ending off the night with my favorite, s'mores.
Bailar con mi corazón.
Now when it comes to dining, they have two all-day dining options. One at Bahia, where the layout is an indoor-outdoor flow surrounded by the lush jungle, and where their heavenly breakfast is served. And the other all-day dining is at Añejo, where the chill vibe and sushi go hand in hand. And if you're craving Italian food, then Pesca is the way to go, where they also offer an extensive wine list. But the dining highlight for us is Namare, the steakhouse overlooking the ocean and the golf course. The ambiance is absolutely perfect.
Oysters, tuna tartare, beef carpaccio, the snapper with the avocado rice, and the blind tasting is a 3 different steaks.
New York and filet.
The first one over there is skewered. In the middle is New York, and this one is a filet mignon.
Oh, you got filet. Yeah.
Knox has really become the foodie of our family, and if we had more time, he would probably taste the whole menu. And speaking of time, a week is definitely not enough, especially if you want to enjoy the most unique thing about this place, their beaches. So besides the 3 pools, they have not 1, but 2 pristine beaches. We can for sure spend the whole stay just lounging around.
Bye, Four Seasons.
While it's goodbye for now, our stay in the Peninsula Papagayo has not ended yet, because within this gated community is another luxury resort, Andaz Costa Rica. And while the Four Seasons sits on the tip of the peninsula, Andaz is right around the corner looking out over the bay. A perfect place to wind down and spend our last 5 Costa Rican days before we fly out. That was such an easy, relaxed check-in. Now it's time to see our room. This room is their double beds bay view option. Right when you walk in, you're greeted with complimentary gifts, fedora hats, and flip-flops.
Now, since it's our last Costa Rican days, we are going out with a bang and soaking in everything Andaz has to offer.
Starting off with
The pool!
And they have complimentary beach activities, which include snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding. Or you can also do jet skiing for an extra fee. Now, besides the water activities, they have a few other family activities like pottery painting. And they also have cooking class for the whole family. And today we're making empanadas. If you're wanting time away from the kids, you can drop them off at Kids Club where they can enjoy their own activities. And while they're having a good time, us parents are going to mixology class.
So the first drink was on the sour side. Second drink was on the sweet side. Next is the aroma side. Because a drink without an aroma is a dead drink.
Oh.
I made that up.
No,
just
you
joking.
didn't.
Yvonne made that up. The master.
Now, when it comes to dining, Andaz has 3 options, starting with Chow Pescal, their Latin-infused tapas bar.
Delicioso.
And for breakfast, they have Rio Bongo. And my favorite part about breakfast is their barista. And besides breakfast, this place is also open for lunch and dinner, offering an extensive menu from Costa Rican dishes to sushi.
And unfortunately, their third dining option, Ostra, which is their signature seafood restaurant, is closed during our stay. However, they more than make up for it by putting their menu here at the Rio Bongo.
Lobster tail. And then for my side, I'll give roasted vegetables and young potatoes. Thank you.
And of course, a vacay would not be complete without a spa treatment. And this time around, our production team is going to be taking a break from the camera and is going to enjoy a pura vida Swedish massage at Andaz Spa.
Are you serious, right? You're not going to leave me at the doorstep this time?
No.
Oh my god. Well, I do deserve it. Do I still have to film?
Yes, for sure.
That's fair. Let's go. Mama has the results.
Negative!
So where are we going next, guys?